Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this one I will be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. First of all, you're going to be heading over to your Phantom Wallet and make sure that you sign in or log in. Then you are going to be simply copying your address. So you can see we have this receive option. Let's just say I want to receive Ethereum. Copy the address for Ethereum. Then you're going to be heading over to your Binance. Bottom right, you can see we have this portfolio option. Click on take out and withdraw, and here you are going to be searching for Ethereum. Once you do, click on that and paste the address in here that we just copied. You can see it is correct. Select the network for Ethereum ERC20 and click on max. Finally, you need to click on withdraw, and that finishes off our process. So that's how you can send USDT, or you can say like your crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet.